gutom yan. Where are we going? What are we gonna do? We gonna surprise who?
Them.
Them. Who are they? Kag? Hi guys.
May girlside na po ako. Hindi na pagkagawa ng bungka man.
Bago malang. Tapos
passengers on flight 534871 bound for Sambuca.
ano yung mobile?
How did you survive typhoon for that?
Damo ka food? Ubus na? Sinong shumay?
Can you send that to mom that I'm eating shawman?
Yeah. Mommy is asking if you like it na. Hindi na nga siya nakapagsalita, Mommy, oh. Yummy daw. You like it na? Mommy is asking.
Yes.
Ayun guys, so hinahintahin naming boarding announcement, naging canceled flight announcement kasi may sira daw yung runway ng Iloilo. Kaya inaayos pa, may emergency repair. So, mariroute kami ng Iloilo, Manila, Puerto Princesa at mamayang 2 PM pa yung magiging flight namin. 9:30 pa lang. Kaya, ayan. Hinintay namin si Manong James, balikan kami para lumabas kasi kakain muna kami. Tapos para at least merong maayos na maupuan kasi alam naman natin ang ating mga kids na iinitan, walang reklamo. Kita nyo naman ang energy level nila. Andyan pa rin, dinadaan na lang namin sa laro muna. Pero kitang-kita nyo naman hindi sila nagre-reklamo. So good job guys. Ayan, kaya kakain muna kami sa labas in 3, 2, 1. Laban pa guys?
Yes. What's laban pa guys?
Fighting!
We're going to
Ayan po, busog na sila and 1 PM na, pabalik na po kami ng airport. Sana hindi delayed yung flight. This is it guys. Boarding na. This is it guys. After all the cancellation, delation and everything from 1 AM. Nagbibiyahe na. This is it. number 38. This is it, guys. Top. And you?
I'm number 3, but I just ate it. It's a table. I forgot to sleep there.
Okay, you put na.
Tita, can we sit there?
Here, put it inside.
Oh, put it here. Yeah, I put down.
Now,
Here. No. How do I get it out? I don't know. How you...
okay na?
I don't know. So, we're gonna video. I'll video Joey first. Oh, Joey. We're going to Palawan. Look.
We're gonna video.
Sure. Joey. It looks like Joey. Joey, like do that and
Apa?
okay, be. Be, Joey. This is Joey.
Okay po, thank you po.
My tita's just calling, so this is the picture, 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 here.
Where are you going?
Palawan.
What you gonna do?
We surprise Mama Ed and Papa Wet.
Aww.
And the whole family down. Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes. This is a menu. I want this one and this one. You're holding hands if it's so fast. And I see an airplane that was so fast. And they fly now. And then I don't know where they went. And this is our table to eat and put water on it or some drinks. And you can sleep in the airplane if you fall asleep. And if you need to go somewhere, you're supposed to be sleep. Because we're gonna go somewhere to Palawan. Yeah, in the Palawan. You're gonna sleep in Palawan sometimes.
With a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten,
Yung dalawa knock-out na.
and pull.
Yung dalawa dire.
In case of water
Hyper
landing,
pa.
your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects.
Going to?
Palawan.
Chill! Excited ka na, Cob? Arya, hyper-gid niya, oh.
You cannot hear me.
You cannot.
Hear me.
Oh.
Daw ang camera go. Like this, look.
Show me. What's that?
That was so
Yay! What?
It's fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
Yay! Thank you, Lord. Okay, that finally we're here.
Bad.
Friendly reminder, kindly check
Paglanding.
including your seats.
Yes, Cobb.
Keep
Where are you?
pockets and overhead bin compartments to ensure that you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind.
Happy na?
Yeah. We're already here now. And Palawan. I miss you. I miss you, Mama. We really, really miss you.
Oy. Wish you were here, Mommy.
We wish you good.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Finally, we're here. Hello, Mama Ed, Papa We, Pare. See you in 3, 2, 1. Jacob, dali. Where's Jacob? Ikaw,
We're scared.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy Jacob! Jacob! Where is Jacob? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Surprise!
Oh, number, ano lang yung second, ano?
Jingle bell.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh! One more song is play. Hey! Ikaw muna, Mama Ed. All I want for Christmas is you. Where's Papa We? Oh, another set.
Where?
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah! Hi! Surprise!
No.
What can you say, Mother?
Ay, na-excited kuya sa inyo.